Hello and welcome back to another video on the YouTube channel Vendor CGI. We will be continuing with our 2D section about 2D animation and why it kinda sucks but why it's not too bad in the end. So let's just start making our little emoji thing because I think that will show the point adequately. And we're just going to make like half of it so that we can just duplicate it. So don't get creeped out. So yeah, just going to duplicate this over. Have this have a new material, just with fill. And have these have a new material with a fill of white. And if we put everything on its own respective layer, then this would be something like eyeballs, and let's just move that, and these would be on something like pupils, and this would be on something like mouth. So if we do that, then we can pair these layers to individual objects. We could pair it to bones if we paired if we paired the layers to one thing. It had that one thing that we paired it to, paired to the bones. Trust me, I've tried pairing it directly to the bones. It doesn't work that way. That's why in the beginning of this series I said, no, you can't use bones. Oh, that isn't exactly true. You can use bones, but it's a pain. So let's just add some an empty. I'm just going to use a planes planes axes, and I just like having it in the middle. It doesn't need to be. So let's have this let's pair some of the layers to the empty. I'm just going to name it so that it's more distinguishable. This will be main. So let's have the eyeballs, and the mouth paired to main. Let's duplicate this, have it over here, and call that one pupils, and have the pupils paired to main. We're kind of like making a bone structure just out of empties. If you wanted, you could just have these paired to bones, but I find that a bit more work than we need to do. So let's just have these pupils paired to pupils, and look at that, it's following it. So let's just make one more object and have the lines paired to that, and let's have this follow the main by using a copy transforms and putting that to 0.5. So let's just see what that does. Oh, surprise, surprise. The inside features move slightly less, and slightly more, and the whole shape of the face moves less. So we kind of have this 3D look, but if we do this, then it's kind of like broken. So we don't want to have that. So let's just turn it on for the pupils and we'll see what that does. Oh, wait, what? Did we ever... I'm assuming we didn't actually assign this properly then. Oh. Oh, I selected the wrong one. So let's just turn on the mask and see what this does. So, yeah, it cuts out parts. It cuts out the parts of the layer that are not within other layers. So, yeah, we can see that we can kind of break this effect by moving the other eye pupil into the other eye. But it's pretty good. So now let's just do that for the other layers, because we don't want those things to go weird either. So let's have it like this and this. Now if we do that, we get this selected, and we see, oh look, that works, that looks pretty good. But then if we select the one that we made for the pupil, then we see that the effect's kind of broken, but I guess that's okay because you can just be more careful with the pupils. But it's still better than our previous form, where you just had to hand animate everything, which was a pain. So next time we will either be having the collab with Trevor, may not. We could possibly be just doing another one of these videos. Who knows? And hope you have a fun time experimenting with this, and bye.